What do you make your coin?
Oh, how come you know?
Come for uniform or welcome. Or welcome.
We squad the toy.
I order managing, sir. Quantico be no.
Quantico
Guanado. I was to run home the quarter Guanado.
Alright, every time I'm in a year.
Danka, our ace one out here.
Suck a mediation, Marco.
I acquire the bazo.
Make it a home.
A Kazahana is a.
Oh, no,
no, I out the way Jim there, make can I kick that? Keda? Kekeda.
Oh, Bessie.
Keda. Kekeda. I'm sick, na kekeda.
No, all
born no wages. I'm full all born no wages.
I can't have him coming back, bro.
Oh, Bessie. I'll Jimmy in my catch or
say. Bloody no on confronting. Now, you'll not be controlling. You. I told you. Be careful. Don't ever cross the line. If you cross the line,
really?
You see, Munish you. I make a trouble. I told you.
Hey, no, I brought you your part. Did you win? And you didn't know to me. I want to buy your home. It was a bit. Let's say there's a good note in Joker.
I can't queen. I believe that you would get some for me.
When school means you had your home. Because Jimmy or the pan. After me, queen at was why my catch was a queen, you know. Your uncle for different. Who say so from Queen?
I say, a dinner when I may ask in
Scanty the mean you right? I don't want to be sister.
Hey, come here. Where are you coming from?
From the house.
What is your time? Do you have a watch?
Yes.
Where's your cell phone?
I don't have a phone.
You don't? What?
I don't have a phone.
Huh? Let me tell you, I don't care whether you have a phone or not. But let me warn you. You cannot joke with my work.
And please, I'm not feeling well. I didn't even want to come to work.
You didn't want to come because the work is for your father.
No,
so you didn't want to come.
I wasn't feeling well. I didn't know.
You weren't feeling well, isn't it? But you are feeling well now.
I'm not feeling well.
Hey, I don't joke with my work. If that stupid manager of yours, that gringo man, MK, if you allow you to, fool around, I will not allow you to fool around.
Sir, please, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. You think you can joke with my work, right? This what pays you. Is this work that pays you? It pays your bills, isn't it? Huh?
Yes, sir. I'm not really well, so.
And so what? Do I care?
So when I woke up, I was a bit slow. I'm sorry, sir.
I even don't know what to say. You are troublesome. You, this girl. You are troublesome.
Sir, please, it's not like that.
What is it like? Tell me, what is it like?
Babe, just a one-time thing.
It's just one time thing. Get out from my sight.
Good.
I'm sorry, I'm better.
Sorry, I went to order the drinks.
Order drinks, what that one? To be very 2 hours I don't order drinks.
No, I'm a surveyor, so I was surveying around.
Okay, so go order drinks right now.
Also,
Charlie, manager, no. So a manager, so a CEO, so a damn. The all down on girls, ladies in age, man.
that one is grey hair now.
And that, yeah, grey hair, do grey hair, no. The beard, they grey, no. Yeah, like, oh no, what then? Start away.
Awesome.
Ladies, no more age, man, no. Also, or harass you more like, or treat you money else. That no more casa cry, Charlie. I try me PSM, I cut down, I'll call reception, I'll copy drinks, be nearly. Mekona style or casa ladies no
The game, Charlie. You all know say you get good heart. But then you know we came here to refresh ourselves. Then plan your wedding. Man. And man, those kind of things and interrupt you understand?
That you know. Say yeah, buy very fresh your mind. And I say be pass the time. That's will be a day and your can't we voice out?
Man,
You have what to make.
voicing out to who? Huh? That is him, and maybe he knows why he's doing that. So, bro, come on, chill.
Oh, that be only be more juma and cry juma. You have to know, say like almost no, only any part of say so you know there'll be the year and your friend like you don't have to do it to do those ladies.
You see a hotel now, you see you are. Then you treat or work as a mister. You understand? That is him. I know him. The reason why he's doing that, man. You don't have to take it personal. You know. Yeah, we all know it's not good, but Charlie,
We don't support him because we're on K outside down. Straightforward.
There he goes. Hey, outsider. This is Ghana for sake, bro. This is Ghana for God's sake. Charlie. Up of here, you have to think like you fear, bro. Listen, bro, listen. I'm not saying what the man is doing is right, but you should also know that maybe if he doesn't do that, they will go astray. They will omit me and it won't help the work. So, chill, bro. Chill.
I said there are a lot of ways I will fast be kasa, be more serious, but like, and I know who they are, who need Diana. So now control the business.
No, at that time you can call them, including the man. I catch you and say, Charlie, this is how you're supposed to treat the workers, bro.
And then, are you pissed?
Charlie, even say I'm pissed, bro. You know, we came here to pass time. Don't let these things interrupt you, bro. I'm afraid of you. You don't know what you want.
I'm talking to you, you're walking away. Hold on. I need an explanation. Where did you go? Where did you go?
Karen.
Tell me what? Where did you go? Tell me, where did you go?
How much should I be explaining this?
I need explanations because you've changed. This is what the guy I told you last week.
You've been stressing me.
Stressing you. You go out without telling me anything and then you come back with zero explanations. What do you want me to say?
Karen, I'm supposed to tell you.
You, of course, you have to. I'm your fiancé, you have to.
I said that you're going out just to take fresh air.
Fresh air. What are you hiding from me? What is there for me to know?
Karen, I'm not hiding anything from you.
So what is it?
I'm not hiding anything
Why the sudden change? Why the sudden change?
Karen,
Talk to me.
You want to beat me?
I want to beat you.
I owe you no explanation since you are not ready to understand what I've been telling you.
Telling me what? Telling me what?
Karen,
What is there for me to know?
I just go out there to take fresh air. I don't do anything.
And then you come back that late. 12-1. And you need to believe it. That you are not seeing anybody. What are you trying to tell me?
That means you don't trust me.
Of course I don't.
Don't trust
Of course I don't. I don't trust you anymore. You are not the guy I knew. You've changed so much.
Karen, I've not changed. Karen, I love you. It's not what
You love me? You call this love? You don't even talk to me anymore. No communication. Like you just distanced yourself all of a sudden. What did I do wrong? What's right done to you? Nothing. Nothing.
Kevin, you've changed. You've changed.
I've changed.
Yes.
You changed me.
I started this.
You are the cause of my actions.
Or is it because?
So don't blame me.
Is it because I gave you the chance for us to stay together in this apartment? Kevin.
I shouldn't have come. No, I have regrets. Because you're treating me like a stranger.
Kevin.
I don't know you anymore.
I wish you could see what's in my heart, Kevin. And I love you. I can't do anything about you. I cannot cheat on you. I cannot see anybody. Kevin, I love you. Just listen.
And you want me to believe it? You want me to believe this? Don't what?
What should I do?
What should you do?
I'm not ready to listen.
What should you do? Yo, wait!
Time no day, unipa. Mo one bring up a kakana sikaya branch.
Basically, what happened?
Alert is going on in this house. Can you believe your friend goes out and not give me any feedbacks? He comes back to the house very late. I don't.
The game.
You.
The game.
You,
the game. Bro. I shouldn't have said this in her presence, but I have to. I really have to say this. Man, I chose this girl because I know she's perfect for you. Bro, what's that? What does that mean? Just giving her update. I don't think that is a problem. Karen, I'm going here. I'll be back at this time. Karen, I'm here. I won't be back. So please, I'm just calling to give you update.
You.
Oh, come on, bro.
Oba say, Oba solve issue now, and I say, Oba support one party.
Man, solving the issue now, I really have to support one because what she said, if that's what you're doing, then only idea, bro.
You said if that's what I'm doing, what if I'm not doing that?
What did I say that's not correct? What did I say that's not correct?
Hey, Miss Karen, please.
Everything I said was right.
Miss Karen.
And you know what you're doing is not nice. Tell him, talk to him.
It's okay, you relax. That's why I'm here, huh? I'll get it done.
So, Chechi, which you were supposed to ask me, Charlie, do you can sign it here?
Well, okay.
What's the truth in this matter? Let me explain my part. I don't know why.
I'm sorry, it's a matter of conclusion. But I did that because I know you. I know that you like isolating yourself. We say, what's not baby? No, bro. I know that's how you are. That's why I also supported it. What happened? Sanity.
It's the same thing. Me pay my kwaji fresh air. Mint na inside sir. Apart from say na be bahana, ya pass time when inside her. Me no wahana said like me ti akwa rest. That was downstairs.
Yes or no a picture frame on them, bro. So what is wrong? What will happen if you take her along?
Thank you.
Huh? Bro, what will happen if you take her along? Say, babe, let's go out here and pass time, have fun and
she's the woman of the house. She's supposed to stay home. For me to go and have some fresh air.
You're the man of the house. You are supposed to communicate. Tell me, let me know what your whereabouts.
If we really don't solve this thing, we can drag it to you understand? Let us fix this once and for all. The game. And yes, I'm supporting her, but
you are supporting her. Yes,
bro. Let's maintain peace in the house, please. It is no good. From now onwards, if you're going out, you tell her, Karen, this way I'm going. Say you cool, say you come along. I tell her you take her along. You understand? If you can't, you just call and give her updates. That's all. Miss Karen, please.
You should ask her. Say this is not the first time. And I say I'm feeling I'm started. From like I check and I'm started. You won't even say me call. Bro, all of a sudden I feel I will change you.
Bro, listen to me, bro. This is you, and now she is part of you. So if you're doing anything, you have to include her. She wasn't in your life. Now she's here. So you have to treat her as part of you. You understand, bro? Come on. Miss Karen.
Ever since I came to this house, my head has been aching day in and day
It's
out.
okay. It's
my
okay.
mental health
It's
is
okay.
at stake
Hey.
because of you.
It's okay. It's okay. You didn't come here for this. You understand? Please, bro. Let's fix this once and for all.
Karen has really changed.
Bro, that's all.
And I'm imagining CBM, but then my what have I done?
Yeah.
I can't apologize for something that I've not done.
That's all.
Karen, I'm sorry. It won't happen.
Karen, you're sorry. It won't happen again.
It's
Look at the way he's apologizing.
It's okay.
That's not him.
It's okay, please. You know, he's sorry. And, you know, thanks for telling me. I'll make sure that doesn't repeat itself again. I promise you. It is a promise. Huh?
Why are you doing this if I am forcing you to do this?
Like I'm the only one who is going to benefit from this.
You know I'm doing this for us. Us. You and I. So I don't want you to be thinking that I'm being abusive or, you know, I'm controlling you. You know we are up to something. That's why I always make sure that you are on track, you know. Huh?
What did I do wrong again?
Wait. I didn't call you to fight.
What did he come to tell you?
I didn't say anything. Perry. I just called you to let you know that, you know, I've talked to him and he's calm now. So please, okay, make sure that you get the money and buy the things, you know, those things that you use for the preparation, the wedding preparation and everything. That's what I've talked to him. You know, he was doubting because of your behavior.
My behavior? What behavior are you talking about? Wait. What behavior? Listen, you know we are acting. So don't let me overdo things.
Carrie. Yeah, it's the case that you have to overdo it because, you know, you don't have to let him know that you are up to something. Should he know that?
I should overdo it. Can you hear yourself?
Wait, no, I don't mean no.
What if I overdo it and I end up falling for him? It's a trap. Like, I mean, we are trapping him.
Just stick to the plan. Okay, please. You know what we want. If you manage to succeed, you know how this will benefit us and our children. Hey, you know I love you. Am I a fool to tell my girlfriend to be with my friend?
You know it's not easy. I'm really trying. I don't even like him.
I know. You don't have to like him too. You don't really have to like him. You don't have to. Yes. But you know, you want something, huh? So please calm down. And you know, take it. You just take it for now. I promise you, you know, in no time you'll be free and you won't do that again. Please. Huh? So just cooperate with him. I don't want him to be suspecting you. You know, of late, he's been acting weird and I wanted to find out, so I called and asked him and he was like, I'm
always the bad person.
You're not talking about
You're not even taking my side.
I know you. Please, you just have to cooperate, huh? Please. Huh? You know I love you. You know. Talking to you.
I feel like you're trying.
You sure?
Yes, I'm trying. Let's not talk about me.
They won't ask you that. Who asked that? As long as you are serving the right thing, just she ordered for series. Just give her the series. Okay, please. Oh, thank you so much.
Come back here. Where do you think you are going?
Where are you going?
So I'm going to serve a customer.
Hey, has it gotten to that? So you are now the owner of this company. You are giving orders to employees.
I just asked for a favor. You see?
Hey! You asked for what?
A favor. You see, the last time what happened?
Foolish girl. A boy for Koshinino. Obo brand ko si we bi. Mmaye, obo brand ko si we bi. Ko osibia wa koma orders on honum. Leave my company. You are sacked. You are fired. Leave.
Oh, sir, you can't do
Hey!
This is not a big deal. I just asked for.
It's not a big deal.
Oh, sir,
isn't it?
What? They just pour the drink.
I don't want to see you here again. Hey!
Oh, sir.
Do you want to follow her?
Oh, boss, please. If you do this, how am I going to survive? This is the only source of income for me, please, sir.
Go pack your things and leave.
Oh, sir,
I don't want to see you here again.
Please, just give me one last chance. Please.
You don't have any chance anywhere. Leave. Hey! Leave! You want me to sound you? Hey! I swear. Oh, for me, no capre. Oh, sorry, I'm now. My orders. A boy. The cheek of it. Favor.
Why are you stressing me? I've been asking you for money from inside. What is that?
And I don't have the money. You go first can away.
How should I also get money to cook for you? You expect me to cook for you, right? How am I supposed to get the money?
You say a juice only make kasa over to tone sameboa.
What else can I do?
And then me catch us in the minister be man.
I also need money.
And then you
You can't live like that. You have to give me money. What is inside this bag? Give me money. You are the reason that I have been sacked from my workplace. So I don't receive money from anywhere. If you don't give me money, I'm not going to let you go like that. What do you know? That's not your concern. What you have to think about is how you are going to give me the money today.
Oh, wow.
Nah, it's not your concern. I've been getting little money and I've been supporting Bond's education. That's what I'm going to use to cook for you to eat. How will you know it's a girl or a female?
Where did this come out?
Money?
Who's going to make up?
Just give me the money. You can't tell me that. Oh no. I won't let you go. Give me money.
You call for me. Alright. Just touch me. Alright. Faster come. Alright.
Kobe. How do you expect me to cook for you? Kobe. How does he expect me to get money to cook for him? Where am I supposed to get the money? Hey, Kobe.
Time no day, unipa. Mo wanemre na peka kana sikaya brantia. Kumbe ya huda enu botumu au miniai. Mo wanemre na peka kana sikaya brantia.
Ja box rate ade amudi ye aduma. Mo da se nwura na se be den enyira. De bia ni poboka. Okay, ajumpe pa na de. Ajumpe pa na wo tumedwene. De bia we enti we ahye nwura na se na ye.
Se woni me na ekon na woni cleaners no be clean na ekon.
What do me? Ade ahye so no supervisor mo. Ade me nyansa woni bi se ya. Oh, wo se obeyi ye be cha papa. Oh. Obeyi be cha. Oh, ye de be catching. Hey, boss. They say one more football age 72. You know your scar, the benny beneska. Hey, boss, Yamma, ye, would you too? Hey, no, answer. You can beska. Oh, with your boy, Yamma. Francis is only for some flock. Boss, me busawa some. Say, I can see woman, baby, man, as woman, I can. Just say, hey. The boss brought come back for so many also. Papa Quaper acquire serve customers. Or call your customer for 7 no. Mubufu, what far they will show go play so. If you go so afraid you bufu, or the swim back or sit in the what if you pay one cafe. What's up, the beams on some acquaintance won't mean or call any panel. The obey and a sacrifice one by to be from qua. What's the cool as you come? But you know, as you come to one corner and sacrifice another problem, Sam review. Edward Menodia. Give me an idea. If the Breno, let me sweet baby. Edward Menodia. Monsieur Brenham sweet. Monsieur Edward Menodia. Hey, where you call race you? Huh? Sure, John Melodia. Boss, you have been working for 4 solid good years. And son, you ever tena see eba see a down abeye bibia sata na udi hia na ndu achiro ende wanka share say there hey say mpese we clear say ampa say sika say na wo dey ma me hu sika wo dey ma me ni uhunu nyansa me twa waketu ato what uhunu nyansa wo say sika me dey ma kwa wini ne dey ye mo so me discard ma wa do nya say me di ni nyina le ma di ni nyina ene na echi mechira me ka mo mechira on ente bia bontwa mu no akora no ye ne ko fa ne bra because e ye wrong eduma media etimi ntufo me na onu afutu akotu kokohwede afo no mrafi na ninu ana akoko jimi eduma na media me pam akora no kwa mapam no ana boss akora wu se wo pe na wan pere hu ya wo ntia eduma no media misika ena mepe enti wo jimi me sacrifice for my money odie ma so wuni ma odie ma mka semjo akora no enye hwi ma misika me ye lie ma na wo mra na odie chinewi wuni ho a ho sere mimi ho a me ho mi sere ofi so woni oba ne na atami kame oba ase anye dishe oh sa ene na wodi de senyo hey wodi hey ya wo ye nipa ben ya dwun sika ade achen ya dwun sika na ma wiase eda ni wiase sika na ma bibia ye fe ya se kwancha de ye fe di sika na ye wodi nyansasem bia di sika bebe bia no ubogu edi jini ne che wutiri mu sika tudi nkwasasem saa keke dabi o ha mi sika ntimi adwa mo de tudi nkwasasem dabi ha wodi ma wo sika ka ho be chi wo wodi matem Iddi we just get ka obe chiu say ka minimum pa na mo bro pa we confronting something no me catch akwa no pe umpo obeba me na me catch ope umpo obeba time no dey unipa mo wan emre na pe kakana sika ya brantia kumbe ya huda enu botumu au minia mo wan emre na pe kakana sika ya brantia we dey grind all day. Yeah, where the main say me how I like. I too many and say me friend or colleague back on Ejewa. Do I share red Jason?
Ejewa.
Yeah.
Iddi.
Ejewa.
We juma habi.
Just like that. I didn't wait then.
So they go back and kind of say young one yet. Me kind one Jinyana. One yet. Iddi. Obia ba ha no ase oni ne nya asem no oni ne nya issues ase ya too much ntino because onko
that's why no so dey hwe no kra we no no be basa oni obi betimi kra
she ane ka kire o ba ha no no obi oni dey enjoy my holidays enjoy na mo ko oni oba kama say na mo ni dey echi dey enjoy holidays na mo ko oni o chawo she o chawo kire uni kire the bar we ucha sawa asma oh share it's too much do the boss onko fu me ma ne ba han so na se o mo mochi so kwa de ba ku bi o ye ku ya ne ho akohye ne ho osoro ho no na ni twa ne kire ne bae ko mo de se boy ni so o ku share
If someone else who say like that from the like
no not phobia or a pretender somewhat a pretender
na made like wait me them up in the water na uni mo bi so ni be bi oti ana so ntimi nya no ntimi nya kwan bi akwaso ma me ni di nko na my boss me no kwa kasa so won't me say my number
hey ene ko be mo free how se o kwa na asem che no be mo free how mako obepato ogu na ejuma o ma ni ngu na ejuma ntimi o ma ni ma
obo ebe kwa na ge ya ye won't man fe won't man e bia first one na bibisa
if o man warning sa
Mama warning sir, girl na me nim ha, the same as also a before. That's also when you way before.
Na mo friend no mo colleague at least on your crown or pam no mo ina bit me apanacho. Na wo hu ambo nya hu mo bo bi no asama na.
Me dem me koke bi be need. Me so me pese be need. Ejuma me ye me ni ejuma bi out baby abiem. Ti be me eni me.
Okay, what that's right. Yeah, do.
You chili be mo baha, mo de mo girls be baha mo ni di workers e chi sa. Tuna chi hu na e mo de. Ye ide di kwa kwa hihye no.
Time no day unipa. Mo wanem rena pe kakana sikaya brancha. Kumba ya huda nu botumu au miniai. Mo wanem rena pe kakana sikaya brancha. We dey grind all day for the money. Every day be payday, whether Sunday or Saturday. We dey grind all day for the
Hey, Jiro. What are you guys doing here? You wanted to what?
Oh, so is that how to welcome us at least?
Oh no, I'm just
to be
shocked.
happy seeing you.
Oh, I'm
Not
supposed to
even
be
happy.
happy
You
seeing
should
you.
at least even welcome us.
Hey.
Give us some seed before.
You know Kobe. You know that if Kobe comes to meet a guy here, wouldn't be well with us. You should have at least told me.
Sorry.
So,
We both are sorry.
I don't have any seats for you. You talk first before Kobe comes again. He has gone out for just a few minutes. So why are you here?
The game. This is you also have to know. No bingo is around.
Okay. But I hope you're not feeling bad. Thank you.
I don't see. I just feel like that.
Oh, you have to leave.
Why are you leaving both of
Boss
us?
is around. You have to.
She has to attend back.
Okay, I'll call you.
Okay, take care.
Okay. Bye.
Joel,
Yeah.
hi, what's wrong?
What's wrong with you?
I've been searching you everywhere at your workplace.
Why didn't you hear that I've been stuck?
No, it's just I tried my best, and I talked to this your friend. I even convinced her to some extent before she got me. So on our way coming, that's when she was explaining everything to me that we are being sacked by your boss due to some reasons. And with the reasons that she was even giving me, I think even it's purposely my wife.
Your wife? Yeah. She's also part. They said I'm always late and all that, and then they said I fought with a customer. So, well, now I'm here, but I'm happy because I get to spend time with my boyfriend. So it was really hard. I'm always not getting time for him, but now I have time for him and then my brother.
You are happy for losing your job so that you can get time for your boyfriend.
He's the one who takes care of me, so if I have time for him, he's going to take care of my brother and I.
And so what have you been doing? What have you been doing at home?
Just the normal lady chores, sweeping. He helped me to sweep. My brother went to school, he didn't do any chores, so I'll be the one sweeping. I'll go and wash the dishes, cook for supper, and then wait for them to come back.
And your friend was explaining this to me, like, I've been very worried, like,
Why are you worried?
how could your boss do such a thing? Even if my wife, we are just customers, so even if a customer, even if your worker is being rude to a customer, why should you even sack?
No, this isn't even the first
And I don't
time.
even know where you were rude to us.
And plus, it wasn't my fault. It was the customer's fault.
Okay, so, or do you want me to somehow talk to your boss for you or something?
My uncle's friend is my boss, so I'm sure my uncle has spoken to him severally, but he didn't agree. So I'm not sure what you are going to say or do anything.
Maybe as a customer, you can
You can try. You try. Try and talk to him for me. Try and talk to him.
And are you willing to come back though?
Oh yes. Currently, I'm happy at home though. But if I get the work back, I wouldn't mind.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Okay, so talk to him in case you say you talk to him.
Okay. But I hope I haven't caused any problem for you for coming here.
You should leave now because if my boyfriend comes right now, I wouldn't be okay with both of us. So right now that I stand here and there's no problem, you can leave. Because if Kobe comes right now.
But if your boyfriend comes to meet me, I'm just your friend or a customer coming to visit you because you.
My friend Keshe, he's not going to be okay with it, right? Yeah. Even if I talk to my boss, he's not okay with it. Then a friend.
But how you are talking, it seems you are under slavery.
Oh nah. If you have a girlfriend, wouldn't you be safe? You protect her. So please try and leave right now.
Okay. Take my room.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
You're not even seeing me off.
Oh no! Right now if I'm escorting and I need to go, what do I do?
Okay.
And thanks for everything. Thanks for being caring.
Okay, take care.
Okay. Tipo, temptations and right now if Kobe had come here, he would fire me quite.
Time no day, don't you
have Kobe's number?
That's a puzzle guy.
You don't have his number?
I don't have his number.
You don't have his number?
I don't have his number.
I remember calling you with his phone one time.
Oh, the last number 54.
Yes.
It's his number. Oh, I never knew.
You should have called. Or you could have even come to me earlier to tell me that maybe you want to bring him or something. I can tell you that, oh, I want him around or I don't want him. And you know how Kobe is. If Kobe had come to meet you guys here, he wouldn't have been happy about it.
I don't like the way the guy was even asking of you. I don't know how Asantewaa that gossip girl. He has to gossip a lot, so I don't want it. I decided to bring him to you.
If Asantewaa had heard it, I'm sure my uncle and everybody would have heard it too.
No, I don't think so.
But I don't think you should do that again. If you think you want him to come or he has told you that he wants to come to my side, please try and call Kobe and then tell him that you want to talk to me. Listen to what I have to say before you let him come. And besides, Kobe is saying he'll buy a phone for me like tomorrow or so.
Since when?
Tomorrow.
You guys have been dating since 2 years or 3 years now.
Buy me a phone.
Yeah, I'm complaining now, no iPhone.
Oh, you said he'll get me a phone. He didn't say iPhone though, but I'll get a phone. So I'll give you my number. So in case of anything, then you call me.
I think the guy is worried though.
Worried about what?
Seeing you at work, that's right.
But I've been sacked. You guys have not told him that I've been sacked.
I think he wanted to know the reason why you have been sacked. That's why he just wondering why.
But he knows his part. He knows it's because of he and his girlfriend. So he
has done nothing wrong to you.
But his girlfriend did something.
He's just trying to help you. You still want this toxic relationship?
But I'm still in it. And he's not toxic. Don't call him that. He's not toxic.
This is like this the toxic.
If he's toxic, why would he try and buy me a phone?
I've been beating him every day.
He has stopped.
He has stopped.
Have you been seeing this? He has stopped.
You haven't been going to that place. That's why.
He has stopped. So I'll call you with my number. Very soon. I'll be a phone owner.
Phone owner. I'm not saying infinite or fake.
I don't know. But he'll get me a phone. So I'll call you with. See, your number is still the old one, right?
Yes,
so I'll call you.
I'll be expecting your call.
So how is work going?
Not bad. We miss you.
Have you guys gotten a replacement for me?
Not yet.
Is the manager there?
And the one with the gringo shoe.
He's there. He's still there. He still talks to the animals like they are human
beings. Like that. He'll be like, Precious, calling the parents, Precious. How are you?
Hey, why is Precious his ex or something? This man, I'm sure he's not okay. How he even dresses like he's not okay.
It's a turn off.
I'll see you.
Time no day,
Hey.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
Yeah, I don't know what coming. Come to visit.
You're coming to visit me. This is weird.
Oh no, don't be surprised.
It's hard for customers to come and visit.
Oh yeah, but our relationship is start customers. I'm not sure.
Oh, I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, ever since you stopped working over there, like, I've been missing you sometimes. So today I took the opportunity to come and visit you.
It was just because of your girlfriend and you yourself that I have been sacked from my workplace, and now you are coming. You are bringing the trouble to my house.
Ajora, calm down. I know it's because of my girlfriend, but I'm also part because since she's my girlfriend, but just calm down. And if there's any way I could talk to your manager for him to understand things, I could have done that, you know.
Actually, I'm not sure he's going to accept it. No matter who comes to talk to me.
Yeah, I know because of how you're treating me, so I know. So, but what if I get you some other job?
Hey, I'll be very grateful. Any job, sure. As long as the job pays, I'll be really, really grateful. Yeah, any job at all. As long as I get money from it, I have to take care of my brother, you know.
Okay, then I'll try my best. Okay, so don't worry.
Thank you very much.
So where's your brother right now?
Oh, he has gone to school.
Oh, okay. He
has gone to school. I still have some things to buy for him. I don't even know how. So if you give me the job, I'll be so grateful.
Oh, okay. That's don't worry. As for now that you're not getting any job, like in case you need anything or any help, I can.
Any help as in?
Maybe financial help or mental help.
I'll also be grateful to get money.
Diabetes.
Oh, I'm not eating.
Why?
Yeah, my boyfriend was going. He told me he didn't have money.
You didn't have money. So you have to stay till midnight or till you come back.
Till he comes back.
Wow. That's so weird. So, do you mind if we go and have some lunch somewhere or?
I can't go if my boyfriend sees.
Okay, I got you. But then let me put some money in your account for you to be living with you.
Okay. I don't know. Check whether it's registered. I don't know whether it's. I just got the phone. I don't know how to use it.
You just got the phone.
My boyfriend bought it for me. I've been complaining about phone and he bought it. Check for me whether I'm registered.
Yeah, you are registered.
Put your number on it so that you call yourself, then you see my number so that.
Let me do that right now. Okay, that's my number. So you are registered, so let me push some money in your account so that you'll be managing it.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Are you pushing it right now?
Yeah, right now. I don't have to delay. I have to go get some. Check if you have any message on it. I just
check.
Yeah, that's the message. Just push some 10,000 for you.
10,000 CDs?
Yeah, you should call some food stuff.
Food stuff?
Yeah, you can't be staying at home.
Oh, thank you very much.
No, sit down. You shouldn't sit down.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
No. Yeah, you know, it was my fault for you.
How did you just send 10,000 CDs to someone on a random day?
That's why I said it was my fault for you losing your job. So I have to take the responsibility.
Thank you very much, Mr. Thank you so much.
And I'll try and also find you some new job.
Thank you. I'm so grateful.
I'm always welcome here anytime.
Oh yeah, you can come anytime, any day. Yes.
No problem.
And anytime you want me out, you can call me when you need any help or any assistance.
Okay. So then I have to take care of some other things since I have to go back to that.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Should I see you?
Oh no. Okay.
So I'll be expecting another time.
Time no day, unipai. Mo wanem rena peka kana sikaya brantia. Kumbaya huda enu botumu au miniai. Mwana mrena peka kana sikaya brantia. We dey grind all day for the money.
You just said somebody 10,000 on a random day. Oh my god. You have to buy clothes and change my phone and pay for it. God. God, thank you very much. I have to.
Time no day unipa. Mwana mrena peka kana sikaya.
I don't feel good.
Yeah, maybe she may visit her.
To one. Okay. Sorry, so I am. Let them papu go and come to the
I am so be am come power.
Oh, so now bit me botai ko wiade. Bit me botai ko wiade to have say offer. O say me bisa. Alright, we fear no we do. Alright.
Yeah. So because style can answer me. We are accusing me wrong. What else?
Yeah, see how very to my power confirm me have a boo. And it's not power confirm me have a boo about. Ah, sana present. Alright.
Okay. Virginia. Okay.
Me January.
You don't have any food there.
It's what? Me January I catch him say January.
I didn't cook any food for you. Even yesterday, I didn't give you supper. Are you expecting breakfast or lunch today? Hey, I don't have any food for you. I don't have any food for you.
Me come and dem me boy.
Did you give me any money for food? Did you give me any money?
I'm not scared of bargain.
Ah, is the money yours?
You are very wicked.
I'm the one who gave me the money.
You are wicked.
I'm the one who gave me the money.
Hey, dear Drusa.
If you don't give me any money, don't expect any food.
I swear.
You swear.
You leave this house.
I'm not going to leave. I'm free. Why am I going to leave? I'm not going to leave. Give me money to cook for you. How much money to cook for you?
It's kind of so bad. It's kind of free.
Is the money yours? You just know that the money is in my bag. Is it yours? Is the money yours?
Hey!
As long as the money is not yours, don't be expecting me to use that money to cook for you. Is the money yours?
Foolish girl. What the truth are you? What the truth are you? What the make us all to Tosa? That be no serious idea. Just what's through? Me boy, it's ultimate sentence. It's a kitchen control. It is a what's through. Foolish girl. I'm
not going to leave. I'm not going to leave. If you have the guts to do that, pack my things and I'll see whether. Yes, I won't leave. I won't leave. Oh, if you try it, I'm not going to leave. You can try. I'm staying here till.
Time no day unipa. Mwana mrena peka kana sikaya brantia. Kumbaya huda enu botumu au miniai. Mwana mrena peka kana sikaya brantia.
Asantewaa.
We dey grind all day for the money. Every day be payday, whether Sunday or Saturday. We dey grind all day.
Drinks are done in Mark Sabine. What happened to it?
Yes, I drink because I'm in German or
Drink because I'm in German or Asantewaa, me more Jumana so rich me. Me you with you. I'll sack you.
Oh, so has a Mrs.
Drinks then wash out 5 bottles.
Maybe I never your cousin may you me think one more.
Also for going for better so. What I'm kind of drink never go a fridge man as
I Bernice me to Casa means me.
My son Juma, one of my friend, my own my friend must say, yeah, Juma. Huh? To say Juma, I don't find a way I'm one. So much very my kind of salary amount. And they also why I will not got my boy. Well, Jimmy's 99 days for the thief, 1 day for the master. Who them the bail? Some 4 pack. Drinking watch out of 5 bottles. No bet you. I make tape you.
But me they know they.
Make tape you.
But hey, me on the car me found kuku.
Some me share green gold. You want to match you. Into make 5 bottles. No for a and I'm a market. So we are no more so there. And I put you on. Have you been?
Yes. Oh, black for now, that's true. I say, maybe girlfriend. So, how much they work free, Hannah? Slow, when you feel position.
Okay, you feel okay.
How much they work free? I still okay, they work free.
Maybe a woman is saying. Okay, you will feel question. Sika saying that the brain majuma. Okay, you will feel question. Jane Naminian. Okay, you will feel question. Jane na wo kanu. Ye no binya. And I member customer. Na mention misika. Ya wo ka samenya no nana. They say me a wo ka che me wo ka menya no. Opa wo ko meji wa so. Eni ni fie ni nyina nso a. Enya me masem. En fa aduane ntumi ensimi table so. Enti wo za be dis confrontation a che na yede. Eji wa ma pamo no woko. Enti so obi kwa no ho a ende e masem be. Adia munsua na ade pa wo ha munsua. Konkonsa MK Gringo. Wo na mo wo di no. Sa konkonsa no e na munsua. E also onya ade pa esu a kafi no mi so ko. Ba bu ya ro di ja se. Di ko o pe di wa ti no. Kafi ni. O so ya munsua de pa. Kwa champagne we na mhanu wodi konkonsa sa anti mudi na. I'm someone at the place. That's drinks no I want mankind. Kind drinks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want mankind. Wash out. Probably 30 comfort. I say,
so you've really packed my bags. I'm not leaving this place. I've already told you I won't leave.
And over down. Go back to what dance?
You owe it. I know you owe.
Prostitute. I show you that it's a war.
You're calling me a prostitute. Just because I lowered my standards for you. You're calling me a prostitute. I am not a prostitute. Your family and your siblings are the prostitutes here. You think I am that soft?
What's it?
If you know you can't call your mother a prostitute, don't call me a prostitute.
Different colors. Into what so?
I've not seen any guy. You're the only guy I'm with. I don't understand why you're accusing me.
You are cheating.
I'm not cheating.
You're cheating.
I am not cheating.
What a painful. Your mother.
My mother. Your mother. Your mother. Not my mother. Your mother.
Debut. I need you want a minute, cousin.
I've always been soft for you, so you think I'm soft.
Hey!
Send the bags inside.
Baba,
send them back. No, come, don't do that. I'm not leaving. Send the bags back inside. I'm not leaving. Mommy, I will not go. Please don't sex me.
What's wrong?
She didn't do this. Right now that he's liking me, I don't have anywhere to go.
Yo, big man.
Hey!
Ufri! Come on, Sam! The one you know who came out here, man. That's an initial now, Banawa. Maybe fear now. Massa, what do you mean, Jimmy? Never flow.
I will tell him that I have to stay here. I don't have anywhere to go. Listen to him, please.
There's a whole banana in the Baboni in the war. There's a whole man forget on the war. There's a whole man in the Baboni in the no one who's a medium in your own hour. There's all the candy I want. Yeah, sorry, never call for the free.
Kobe, please don't let me go like
this.
Tell him that I have nowhere to go.
Yo, bro. Your girlfriend on in your some way and you give me sell no anything in your fight. What else? No, the man in the didn't you cry?
Why you? Man in the didn't you? Huh? Who are you about to run in the tunnel? Who are Oba punsan we amenity.
Eh, there's problem now, but wait me solve.
E ma for we gale bia me na de bia me sisi no. Adan say fia say. Sa kwa se me po. Wala o ka che ma no fia se me de saka me wa.
Oh no,
she told me.
She saw the bruises and she asked me. Oh.
Why so? That massa. Who cried and who cried the French and you say? Yes, I don't who tell about. Let's see how about the boy. Who tell about him? The fear about the boy.
Never sit in.
Open, sir. What's the council we am myself?
No.
What's the council we am myself? And it's coming when you know the boy. I saw what you are there.
Don't call me a prostitute.
Hello, Dave. A couple. It's a show. A show you that is a hole. Hey, wait.
No. Why girlfriend or friend? I shall.
Why are you still calling me a prostitute?
Bro, you are going far. Why girlfriend in a problem? I shall only say.
Today, my day out to turn Saran and Bayana.
We need to know.
So only mean that you are trusting us on fear.
You wait and let one close from school, then we'll go right now. You wouldn't know where we are.
Jimmy for the so I Jimmy for me, Priscilla who are. That cost you a dinner and be also not the favorite quality. I don't want to hope you
call Auntie called Queen, because that was a problem.
Why Jimmy? Let me Queen. There's all kind of nothing. Only me off friend in the boy.
He's called Queen. I don't know why he always denies it.
Bro.
So now Jimmy now Jimmy fear. 2 hours
to money stage. Na me banana baby.
A child in
banana baby.
I hotel. Masa, when someone oh, Queen. Who's what Jimmy on? What Jimmy on? Mimi Queen. See there, oh yeah, woman, me the best was with a whole Chris Brown Regina. Right? Your whole Chris Brown Regina.
You're making us go.
Let's just walk on. Come on, boss. Yes. Me and my you can't let it. You can't. Me not focus on what I'm not walk. And then me pull on Masida. Masida, only no remember so. Me and I me do music about one man be here me. Come the better about the game cool and I'm your family.